Rosie. What's?
Don't worry. I'm okay. I'm better.
Life will bring you down. Life will make
She just hit you with that.
I'm okay now. Just sit down. Sit down. I felt it, but I'm better now. Just have a seat.
But please, are you sure you're fine?
I want to talk to you. Sit down. I don't want you to fight your mom.
everything. Everything wahala. So never how long you want to go. It's where you they go. Remember, say, man, no be God. Oh.
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. You are Ogbanje gang member.
Akiko, what do you want from me now?
I heard your Ogbanje gang member pretended to collapse just to take my man. Akuya?
Your man, how?
You heard me.
Me, I don't hear anybody brought wine for your father to take for your hand in marriage.
How can you insult me? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Akiko, you slapped me.
Yes, I will slap you again. I will. Take this as a warning to your Ogbanje gang member. Tell her that I'm coming. Let this be a letter to her.
Love will be like awesome. See love, anywhere you want to go, carry you go. Anything you want to, you go do them for you. But you go
no problem.
Go for water. You know go fit for some to drink water.
Wait, stop. Oh.
No.
We're outside.
Outside, how? Who's watching?
Oh.
I love you so much.
Latest couple in town.
Well, we can call us Romeo and Juliet. Are you jealous?
No.
I'll get your own.
Okay, what is it? Why are you crying?
What is it then?
It's Waka.
Waka kwa.
What happened?
Met her on my way coming and she attacked me and landed me a heavy slap.
What has happened? Yes. For what?
She even threatened that she's going to war against us because of Stanley. If you don't leave Stanley for her.
Hey. What's that supposed to be?
You're still asking me, Abby.
I don't understand.
I don't even understand. I was already on my way out before you came in. What are you even saying?
Well, my mom, she threw me out of the house. Yes, before I got home, she already packed my things and then threw them out. What? As a matter of fact, she disowned me.
You kidding me?
I'm not. That's what she did.
She did that because of me?
Of course. You know you're the bone of contention.
What is all this now? I'm not happy putting you into this kind of stress. I'm really sorry, please. Take it easy.
It's alright.
What will you do now?
Nothing, I'll just stay here with you now. I'll stay here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You said you were going somewhere?
Yes, I wanted to pick up something at AK Market.
Looking like this?
How am I looking? I only changed my lip.
You're looking so hot now.
Oh. Okay, let me get them.
You know what? I think I'll go with you.
Let's go.
Yes, I don't have anything I'm doing, so...
Alright, let me get my bag.
Alright.
Wait for me.
It's why I'm standing twice as tall. is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out. Someone to leave.
You see the kind of slap this guy gave me that day? For 2 days I did not hear anything.
Madam, Agaracha, madam. What did my friend do to you that you beat her up like a small child?
Yes.
I am talking to you. Do you think I'm joking? Martin.
Who is this one? Check a lecky.
You just call my friend Chekeleke. Eh? Ah, did you just call my friend Chekeleke? Me too.
Yes, sir.
So because you're big like this, you think you can do anything, Abi? You've not heard about it. Are you there?
What's going on?
What is it? What did you find me? I am tired. I am tired of all this rubbish. This so-called marriage. I am tired. I am tired.
But you have not said anything. You have not answered my question.
I am tired of these constant battles because of love and marriage. I'm tired.
Listen. The fight is not about marriage nor love. Neither is it a fight about house rent. I believe your eyes are too short to see the reason behind this fight. And when you do, you shudder. You stand in awe. In fact, you'll be afraid.
I should keep fighting and fight till I get my husband back.
That's not what I'm talking about. The fight is to make sure that Norma, that woman has to die because she's a threat to my future.
I don't understand.
You're a child. Come. Just relax. Okay? Calm down. Okay? It's alright.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. The last becomes the first. That's why pride goes before the fall. Yeah, you can do anything and do anything you like.
Stop now.
See love.
Give me small. Give me small. I knew I was going to catch you.
It must backfire. You know, go fit to force love. It must be see love. Love will be like fire. It must be love. You know, go fit to force love. You know, go fit to force love.
Yes, I have caught you.
Yeah, I know.
You know I love you, right?
You know I love you too.
You know, go fit to force love. You can do anything and do anything you like. See love. You know, go fit to force love.
Come here.
It must backfire. It must backfire. You know, go fit to force love.
Is that madman? Can you imagine?
I saw him too.
Can you imagine? What a stupid guy.
Sometimes you try.
Please stop calling him stupid.
Why?
Because he was the one that helped with my mother's hospital bill.
And so? Can't you see he just distracted us?
But you know it's not his fault, babes. Have you suddenly forgotten that each time you want to have anything, kiss, make outs, or even get intimate, something always distracts us right from the city? This is not the first time it's happening, so don't blame it on the madman.
What are you trying to insinuate?
The truth, my love. I just told you the fact. You know, you want to throw back? Okay, can you throw back?
Amaka, come out! Where is that useless girl? Eh? Amaka! Amaka! Where is she? Where is your sister? Where is she? Where is she? Amaka! Amaka, come out! Go and call your sister. Come out, Amaka, come out, oh! Come out! Eh? Come out, Amaka, come out! Come out! Come out! The battle has The battle has begun. Come out, yes! You will say that will not have peace. You will not have peace. Your friend will not have peace. She will not be happy. Let her live standing alone. Let her live standing alone for me, oh! Eh?
Which one is the load you are carrying on your head?
Oh, load. Yes, oh. I came with plenty load. And I will offload the load on you today. Eh? Amaka, want your friend, oh. Let her live. You will not have you. You will not get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of where? Get out of where? Get out. I am here. Come and get out. Come and chase me. I came for you to. I must slap you. Slap me. Get out now. You slap me. Get out. Come and slap me. Get out of here. Get out. Your house. Get out. Get out. Your friend will leave my. To leave stand alone. Get out. Stand alone. Get out of here. Get out. I will slap the girl. Slap me. I will not go. Come and slap me. I will not go. Yeah. Come and slap me. Oh. You to come and fight me. Your friend is useless. Let her live stand alone. You are useless. I will teach you the lesson. You are useless. You are useless. You are useless. Now hold that call.
I just discovered you would do more harm to me than good. I thought by now you should have crawled back to me on your knees and begging. Then I'll give you conditions. So either you marry Nwaka or you leave. But I just realized this owning you has given you more opportunities and freedom to tangle in love with that witch. I'll pluck off your eyes. Then you end up with no choice. By that time, that Obanje you are run around with will run away and leave you miserable. But then you have no choice than to bend down and marry my Nwaka. Okay, that is the best option. Your eyes should go off. Should go off the sockets of your eyes so that you have small sense in your head. What is this?
Listen, babe. I think we should forget about sex till after marriage.
Why will you say a thing like this?
I just feel we should do it. Do you have a problem with that?
No, I don't. So what you're telling me now is you want us to get married first before anything happens?
Before
sex. Good. I'm fine with that. As a matter of fact, we should start making marriage plans immediately.
What are you saying? How can we be making marriage plans when my mother is still in the hospital?
It's not a problem. She will understand. Of course, you know I can't wait to do this.
My love, please don't be so selfish. How do you want her to feel if she finds out?
She'll be fine. I think we're talking too much. Hold on. I'll be right back. Don't fall down. I'm coming.
Pain in the morning and pain in the afternoon and night. When is it gonna be over? Yeah. Please tell me now.
I will block off your eyes
That is when you will know that even the devil himself cannot stop me when I decide to move. Give me what belongs to me. Huh. Don't worry.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. The last becomes the first. The last becomes the first. It's why I'm standing twice as tall.
I want you to be my wife.
But love is a good
The mother of my
neighbor.
unborn kids.
No one is
I want to
my Lord.
wake up every day with my life. I want to spend forever with you. Please. Please, I beg you.
Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing with it? Really? What did you propose to this witch? This evil girl? You know who she is? Huh?
How will we call her evil now?
I thought disowning you would have made you have a little sense in your head. Here you are doing the worst thing, the worst mistake of your life.
What's the meaning of all this now? What's all that? I thought you disowned me. You've seized everything. So what do you want from? Why are you here? I don't understand.
So I should be with her?
Yes, I need to be with her. I love her. I want to be with her for God's sake.
Don't worry, marry her. You can marry her in the air. Go ahead and marry her. Marry her in the air.
Mama, give me my ring now. Mama, give me my... Mama... Let me get to me. Mama, give me my ring.
'Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. Forever. So be careful.
Thank God for marriage. I am very happy for Mama. She's getting better every day.
Obiora, that woman is very lucky. Do you know what it means to be in coma for so long?
In fact, hey, she's very lucky indeed.
We thank God. We thank God.
Hey, no, ma.
The day she will come back.
Oh.
Big party.
'Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. Forever. So be careful with everything you do.
What are you doing here?
Yeah. Tomorrow they come home.
What are you doing here, Ipoku? What are you doing here?
He's asking you, what are you doing here, you evil man? Can't you be ashamed of yourself? Eh?
What kind of question is that? Eh? Is this place your house?
Is this your house too? What are you doing here?
Chiezie, and I bug Chiezie again. They are for no kantaka.
Oh yes, that's
you
my
care
name.
to know. I am here to see Norma, and Akadike is on his way too.
Did I hear you well? So you are not ashamed of yourself. You opened this your rotten and smelling mouth and said that you are here to see Norma. Why?
Yes. You are not ashamed.
Oh, you are a big fool. You are a big fool.
Oh, my God, eh? Enough is enough. Get out of my way.
Get back. Where do you think you are going?
Where are you going to?
Eh? Evil man. Just look. You are going
Go back.
Look at.
Do you think because you
can't do
are
anything?
You can push us?
You can't do anything.
Because Akadike is not here.
Who is Akadike?
Because Akadike is not here.
I will go.
Do you think you are not going anywhere?
Do you think because you are big, you can push us?
Do you want me to bounce on you? Yeah.
Pick up. Go back.
I greet you once again, Nine. You are welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Please, I called you here because humbly want to seek for your support. Because Stanley and I have finally decided to get married.
Wow. That's a wise saying. Receive my blessing.
Thank you, Nine.
I fully support you with all it takes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
But what about your mother that is in the hospital?
As we speak, Mama is getting better. As a matter of fact, she'll be discharged tomorrow, so...
Yes, and he sorted the hospital bills.
Wow.
He paid everything.
Yeah. What do you get? What do you get?
Nice.
Hey.
Nice.
You are blessed.
Thank you very much.
Stanley.
God bless you, my dear.
Thank you very
You
much.
are a real man. In fact, nobody can stop you from marrying Purity. Nobody.
Wow. Nobody's going to stop me from marrying her.
Thank you.
She's mine.
Nice, please.
True love.
I'm sorry I didn't offer you people anything. I was carried away. Please, what do I offer you?
Oh, no. You don't have to worry yourself. Yeah.
No.
With all these expenses and stress you have gone through, we don't need anything.
Hi.
No, it's not a problem.
We are okay.
We can handle any. We can handle any expense.
We are very okay.
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
At this moment.
Thank you for your support. You said it all.
So I will be there when you will be saying.
And what are you two doing in my house by this time?
Well, okay. We are here to beg you to support your son Stanley getting married to Purity. Please.
And who told you my son is going to get married to that witch? Who told you that?
Stanley and Purity are in love and have agreed to get married.
It will not happen. My son will not get married to that witch. That idiot, that stupid girl will not come into my house. How can I do? And if you are who stay in your house, it's not late already.
Okay, please calm down. Please, I want you to have a rethink over your decision so that peace can reign. There
will be no peace for the wicked. As long as you two keep deceiving my son, there will be no peace. Lego peace. Grow war. And you two, what are you still doing here? Get out and leave my house. Balance, what are you balancing here? What can you do? Go to your house. Go home.
But before we leave, it might interest you to know that Neoma is back from the hospital.
Yes, she's back. Okay, let's go.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. The last becomes the first. That said, pride goes before the fall. Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody.
Stanley has finally turned me into a laughingstock in this community. Hi. Now Banji girl Purity won me in this battle. She won me. Hi. Hi.
Doesn't matter who's landlord or who's tenant. We all have human needs. Doesn't matter who's rich or poor. Yeah, we all gonna die someday. Be careful what you do.
What is it?
Yeah.
Why is your face like this? Because cheer up. Yes! What is going on? That marriage has been cancelled. Yes! Norma rejected Stanley from being her son-in-law. Give me 5.
Mama, wait. Tell me you're joking.
Wait, what?
Tell me you're joking. Hey, Mama, are you serious?
Yes! Am I serious?
Mama, you're serious?
I'm telling you. Capable.
Hey,
I am capable.
Mama. Hey, Mama.
Hey!
You took.
Let me see how this one works. Hey, nonsense.
Oh, Purity. Ah, is that you? Oh my God.
Please do not touch me.
Oh God.
Don't even think about it. So you're this mean. You got back into this country and you never cared to tell me?
Oh no, don't say that. I just came back some few days ago. I'm just trying to sort out some things. Please, I'm sorry.
Jackson,
My
you
dear,
have disappointed me.
I'm really sorry.
Do not touch me! Touch me not! What is wrong with you?
Please calm down. I know I messed up. I should have informed you before leaving the country. Please, I promise you are going to sort it out. I'm here now, and I'm here for good. I came back with heavy duty. You know what that means. Okay.
Because of you. Because of you, Jackson. My mother and I were literally turned into slaves.
What? Slave?
Yes!
Oh no.
They treated us like nothing. We passed through a lot of pains and disappointment, all because of you.
Please calm down, please. We cannot talk this over here. Please, let's go home.
What are you talking about?
Please.
I am not going anywhere with you.
Please.
Get out of my way.
Please, don't leave me, please. Please.
Leave me.
I promise I'll make it up to you. Please, my dear. Please. Please. Please, my dear, please, let's go home. Please. Please, baby.
So finally. So I could fetch all my How had the mighty fallen? In fact, I am so happy at his misfortune. Stanley will now come back crawling and begging for you to come help clean and wipe his tears, nurse his wound for him as his wife.
So Mama, I'm now a second option. Someone he will come back to after he has been rejected.
No! This is an opportunity for you to...
I swear to God, I will destroy any soul that comes between me and my happiness. How dare you try to damage my life?
What did I do? You mean, you said life? How?
Your frustration has made Norma say no to my marriage with purity. The girl I suffered for. Trust me, if she does not have a rethink and call me back, I swear to God I'll have your head. I'll tell you. I promise you I will tell you.
What did I do?
I'll tell you, Mama. I'll tell you.
Hey, how do I stop this marriage? And you said I should have hope. Just look at what he's saying.
Oh, shut up. Shut your mouth. We should have been looking at him seductively so that he will have a change of mind immediately. Don't you know when a man is angry, you look at the man, you make the man turn around and fall in love with you.
Not with his temper, Mama.
Which temper?
Are you okay?
Look at me. I'm handicapped. My mother seized my car. I lost my job and I lost the only woman I ever loved. Right now I think I'm a failure.
No, you cannot say that. Stanley, you are not a failure. Don't use such words on yourself. She might even have a rethink.
A rethink?
Yes.
Amaka, I looked into that woman's eyes. She is the real devil we talk about. I wonder what she even did to my mother that makes her hate her so much. I just wonder.
Stanley, now, calm down. I mean, don't take this too far.
Amaka, thank you very much for your care and hospitality. I truly appreciate. Okay?
That is why you have me.
All the same, thank you very much. Huh? I have to go and see my friend. He just came back from London and he has been asking me to come see him, but due to all the things that have been happening, I've been occupied. Yes, but I think this is the time for me to go and see him and see if he can accommodate me for some time.
It's fine, but whatever you're doing, just know that my house is your home and you can come anytime.
That's so sweet of you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amaka. I'll see you when I come back. Huh?
Take care.
Take care. Alright.
Tries our start. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to lean on to when you need a friend. Doesn't matter who's landlord or who's tenant, we all have human needs.
More, Stanley. What are you doing here? Wow. Checking at me. Guy. What's that one now? You want to shake me? So this is what you're doing? This is why you came back to Nigeria? Oh! This is what you people are doing now, eh?
What's wrong with you, Stanley?
My woman, the woman I want to marry. My wife. Eh? Tina Kugo here.
Wife?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Hey, guy, are you mad? Oh, this guy is outside here now. Eh? Don't wait. So, that's why you came back to Nigeria, eh? To intimidate me with this rubbish. Guy, calm down. To collect my bank from me. The woman I want to marry. Guy, now like this you do. Just go. Wait. Oh! Wait! Wait, stay there! Stay there now! You're mad? Wait! You won't collect my baby! Come this side. So this is what you're doing? This is why you said no to my proposal because of this fool. This idiot.
It's why I'm standing, twice I start. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor.
I wish I never told her I love her.
I learned everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to lean on to when you need a friend. Doesn't matter who's landlord or who's tenant, we all have human
I will destroy
needs.
anything that tries to come between our hands.
Anything. We are gonna die someday. Be careful what you do. Yeah.
Amaka. Amaka, you of all people. Amaka, you stabbed me at the back. You. Even though I broke up with Stanley because of my mother's disagreement. Even though I went back to my first man, Jackson, knowing full well that we had no issues before he traveled abroad. Even though you were desperately in need of a man because your stupid boyfriend Ekene dumped you. Then why my man? Were you supposed to go to my man Stanley? Were you supposed to? Why must you end up with Stanley? Why? Listen, I am not feeling bad because you took Stanley away from me. No, I'm not crying because of that. I'm only pained because of the disunity everywhere. I am grieved. Children against mothers. Lovers against lovers. Friends against friends. There is no love anywhere. Previously, it started with the rent. But now, it is disunity and pains of love. It is fine. There is no problem at all. But I tell you something. Every one of you that have hurt me will pay dearly for it. You will pay. Starting from my mother, Stanley, and finally, I will get back to you, Amaka. Thank you. Purity.
It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to lean on to when you need a friend. Doesn't matter.
Why me? You have taken my life years back rather than this shit.
Evil woman. Evil personified woman. All the evil that you have done will catch up with you. You will die a miserable death. You're crying.
Rubbish.
You're crying. You've not even started crying.
Hey. Oh. Why is everything falling apart? Why am I losing everything in one swoop? Why? Where do I go from here? What do I do?
Mother. I am no longer afraid of losing anything because I've lost everything already. Now, if you do not tell me the secret between you and Noma, I swear to God, I will kill you with my bare hands. I'll talk.
Talk, mother!
I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk.
Start talking now.
It happened 27 years ago. 27 years ago. Yes.
Nico,
My prince.
why are you taking time to accept my proposal? You know, for me to become king, I must present a queen.
I know, my prince. It's not that I'm rejecting your proposal, but I really need some time to think about it.
There you go again. There you go again with this your time factor. How much time do you need? Talk to me.
I need time. You have to give me time, my prince. Please.
Okay, fine. This time we talk about how much time do you need? But I just need you to tell me how much more should I wait?
My prince, you know I need to settle some things in my maternal home. I need to put things in order. I need time, please. You have to understand me.
I understand you perfectly well. Okay? See, I really do not know what you want to say to your maternal parent, okay? But I mean, there should be time limit. Just tell me, let me know. Just tell me that, okay, I need you to wait for so time. You know, just keep me in it, please.
Okay. Let's say, like 7 to 8 months.
What? Are you alright? The coronation is barely 5 months. And you sit here to tell... Do you realize I'm the prince? Wiki, I want you to be my queen. I want us to rule this kingdom together. For the sake of our love, please. Don't you want to become a queen where every maiden will bow at your beauty? You know you're the epitome of beauty. The one that led the sun to a standstill. Please, my love.
I know, my prince. But...
Choma, I'm really confused. The prince wants to see me. He even said he wants to come and visit me in my maternal home. Can you beat that? And you know he's not supposed to see me in this condition.
Well, don't worry. The pregnancy is already 9 months. Before you know, now you put to bed and you rest, okay? So don't worry yourself. Just
I can't
calm
wait.
down. I know.
Honestly, I can't wait.
Don't worry. Very soon, you put to bed and you rest, okay? And but wait though. I'm still wondering, are you trying to tell me that it's not the prince that got you pregnant, that is responsible for your pregnancy?
No. He has not slept with me.
So what then happens to the child after delivery?
Don't worry, my friend. I will handle it. Trust me.
I hope so.
And thank you very much for taking care of us all this month. I really appreciate it. But don't worry. When I get married to the prince, I'll come for you.
Okay.
You know you are my friend.
It's alright, I'll be waiting.
I can't wait.
ETIKO.
This child is really drilling me.
No, don't worry, you'll soon put to bed and then you can rest. Hope you like the food.
I like it.
Trust me, I can be a very good cook.
Honestly, Choma, I can't thank you enough. You're a good person.
Don't even start. Enjoy your food. Just eat your food, okay?
I will. Thank God I have delivered safely. And my baby and I are very strong. You've been with us, not just like a friend, but also like a mother. Thank you.
It's not me, it's God. Oh, Chuku. So we should thank him.
I know it's God, but you're in the front page. But don't worry, when I become the queen, I'll come for you.
Thank you for appreciating me.
You're welcome.
What are friends for? These are the little things I can do for my friend.
I know. One more thing. I don't want anybody to hear about my baby and I. Please.
Are you planning to leave the baby with me?
I want it to remain a secret between both of us. I don't want anybody to hear about it. Can I confide in you?
Yes, but are you planning to leave your baby here with me?
Not really.
But I know that God will guide my child.
How do you mean?
Never mind. Let's eat up. This food is nice. I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
You cook very well. Let's eat up. This food is really nice. I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
You cook very well.
Oh my goodness. What has your child with a wicked mother? Who will do such a thing?
Is that not Obase the hunter? Yes, it's Obase.
You have contravened our traditions with your selfishness and evil acts. Tradition is sacred, and to question tradition is a sacrilege. So therefore, for the repercussion of your evil act, I curse you. You will never in your entire life conceive. You will remain barren forever. You will remain barren forever. You will remain barren forever.
My king, I'm so happy. Look at me, Nweke, in Queen's attire. I'm so happy.
My king, don't make me to blush.
Oh, come on. Oh, wow.
You know, my king, I'm so happy the way our coronation went. You see the way all activities were going smoothly? Everybody was dancing, eating, people were rejoicing. I'm so happy. In fact, I was enjoying every bit of it.
Of course you should, my queen. You know why? That's because I'm the king. A great one at that.
I know.
And of course it was our day.
Yes, it was our day. I'm so happy the way your friends came through for you. What is the other name?
Akadike,
Koku, Obiora. I love the way they came through for you. I really enjoyed everything.
Well, my queen, I am so happy that finally you are now my wife and the queen of this kingdom. You know, I think at this point we need to make a toast.
Yes.
To long life, prosperity, and to rule as great king and queen of this kingdom.
Yes. And to many children.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
You can say that again, my queen.
How can I be comfortable in this palace, knowing I cannot conceive? What if this man finds out the cause of our childlessness? Or decide to throw me out of the palace? What am I going to do? Or better still, decide to take a second wife? Oh. No. I think I need to do something. I have to do something about this. Weke does not fail in her plans.
My king, it's been 2 years of our marriage without a child. What do you think we should do about it?
Honestly, my queen, this has been troubling me. It has been giving me concern and sleepless nights. You know, but the truth is, no mouth to speak about it.
I know you desire to have a child. I mean a male child who will take over the throne when you join your ancestors. And this years of childlessness is confusing. I don't know who to blame or what to do about it. But what I know for sure is that I am not barren. But
what? Huh? But what? Hold on a second. Are you in any way saying that I, the king, is impotent? Is that what you're trying to say?
no, my king. No. This is not the time for us to apportion blames on ourselves. We just need to do something about it.
You see one thing, my queen. This particular issue is really eating me up. I mean, what would my subjects say? My cabinet? What would they say that I, the king, cannot bear a son for myself? That I, the king, cannot bear a child? Who will take over my throne? Huh? What happens to my throne? What happens to the kingdom? Huh?
That is my worry, my king. I mean, look at us. We have money. We have cars. We have connections. We have everything money can buy. But if we don't have any child. My king, if you ask me, I would say we should adopt a male child.
May the gods forbid. Have you forgotten who you are? Do you realize that you are the queen? Huh? Is something wrong with you? No, have you lost your senses?
I know, my king. I know all that. But the kingship needs to remain in our lineage.
Oh, spare me that rubbish. You want I, the king, to go for an adoption? Huh? Why did I marry a woman? Huh? Why are you called a queen? Look, I would not sit down here to listen to those rubbish that are coming out from your mouth. You are my wife. You must bear me children. That's why you're called a queen.
I'm sorry to spoil your mood, my king. I'm sorry. But just that I'm
Enough! Enough! You don't have any better thing to say, just keep your mouth shut. It's okay, it's fine.
I'm sorry. I'm just concerned. I'm sorry.
It's why I'm standing, try as I start. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to
I forbid you to sit closer to me.
My king, what is the matter? You've been sitting out here alone, drinking all day. What is it? Is there any problem? Is there anything bothering you? You can share with me. I am your wife.
Now listen to me, woman. I want to be left alone. I need some privacy.
My king.
So I said leave!
Is something wrong with you?
It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody.
What will people say? That I cannot bear a child. A great king.
When you need a friend, doesn't matter who's landlord or tenant. We all have human needs. Doesn't matter who's rich or poor. Yeah, we all gonna die someday. Be careful.
I asked you again, Norma, why are you crying?
You raped me.
Shh. Bring down your voice. Norma.
You raped me. I was only trying to help you out of your drunkenness. You raped me.
Norma, it's been a month and you still grieve over that incident. Whatever happens was out of my drunkenness and not intentional. Why? You've kept this a secret over a month, so why talk about this now?
Because I am pregnant.
What's going on? Why can't we have peace?
You're pregnant?
Yes. All I want is solution.
Yes. There will be a solution. Thank the cross. There will be a solution. You know what? I will. Yes. Solution, right? Yes, I will come up with a solution. I will sleep over it. Look, I'll make plans. I'll do everything possible for you to be okay, and for the baby too. Thank the cross. Wipe your chest, okay? Just. My wife is coming. You have to go now, the queen. Okay, we'll talk about this later. All right? Yes. Indeed, I'm a man.
Don't you think that you have seen it all?
I thought I heard some voices here.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle?
Norma!
And the first becomes.
Start the car!
It's okay, my queen. We can do this, okay? What are you still waiting for? It's okay.
It's going out.
Hurry and put that in. It's okay, we're almost there. It's okay.
Sorry, my queen.
It's okay. We're almost there. Remember, you're a queen, huh? You're a queen. You're strong. You're bold.
Nene, why are you like this now?
Choma, you want to understand. It is a long story. Tawa.
You should have at least called first. You should have called before coming now.
I did though. I called you severally. But your line was switched off. I decided to come by myself.
This is the second time you're doing this. It's not right. Eh?
Choma, I thought we were friends. Or are you trying to tell me that I'm no longer welcome in your house?
No, I have not said so. You're welcome, of course. It's my house and it's your house. Anytime, any day.
Yeah, now
Let's go in.
Okay. Ah, thank you.
What's going on? Why can't we have peace in our home? What have we done?
Choma, I kept Norma in my friend's house while leaving the palace. I have to go and get her to come to your house.
So you mean to tell me now that it is your husband that designed all these plans?
Yes, so. Yes, we have to do it. In fact, all of us have to do it. We don't want anybody to suspect that we adopted the child. Yes, you see this plan? My husband and Norma are aware of it. Yes.
This is wonderful. So, what you're telling me now is Norma will agree to give you her child after delivery. After 9 months of carrying that baby.
Yes, now. There's no big deal there. My husband and I have arranged everything. So she will give us the child.
Hey!
She'll give us the child.
Wow.
I know. She will give us.
Okay, let us go inside. Are you not even tired of all these fake things you are carrying? Please go and make yourself comfortable. Let's go inside.
I'm so tired.
You should.
I don't even know how. I need to pull off.
Let us go.
Yes, that's how I owned you. That's how you became my son. And I'm not your biological mother, Norma is your biological mother. She knows the secret, so she threatened to reveal the secret. And I told her I wanted to eliminate her so that she will die with the secret. That was what happened. That's the secret, though. That's the secret, though.
All this while, you've been setting me up against my own family.
I'm sorry.
My flesh and blood.
I'm sorry. Don't kill me.
Oh God. My family.
I am not joking with you. Mama, I am not taking it easy with you. You have ruined my life, and I'm going to take yours away from you.
Please don't hurt me, my daughter. Please.
Let her be. Please don't hurt that woman. Please, I beg you.
Don't tell me that. If you ever tell me such rubbish, I'm going to face the both of you.
I beg you, please. Do not hurt her. All right?
Don't.
Please.
Don't.
I have a secret to share with you.
What's going on? Why can't we have peace in our home? What have we done? Oh. Pain When is it gonna be over? Yeah. Please tell me now. Oh, please don't you mock my pain. Don't you think that you have seen it all? Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle? And the first becomes the last. The last becomes the first. They say pride goes before the fall. Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to lean on to when you need a friend. Doesn't matter who's landlord or who's tenant, we all have human needs. Doesn't matter who's rich or poor. Yeah, we all gonna die.
I have been patiently waiting for you to talk.
Yes. But I do not know where to start from. But all the same, I will start from somewhere. You are my blood.
What? I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
You are my sister. My flesh and blood.
What are you saying?
Need a friend.
What are you?
Doesn't matter who's landlord, who's tenant.
Yes, that's
We
true.
all have human needs.
Mama, what is he talking about? Can you explain that?
Mama, who is my father? I ask you again. Who is my father?
Ask Mweke. Mweke has the answer to it all.
Please tell me now. Please don't you mock my pain. Don't you think that you have seen it all? Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle?
What's going on here?
And the first
We'll be here in silence and you're not saying anything.
the last.
For God's sake, where is my father?
Please tell me now. Oh, please don't you mock my pain.
Where can tell us who our father
Don't
is?
you think that you have seen it all?
Now.
Yes, Mweke. Tell them who their father is. My supposed husband.
Life could turn in a twinkle.
Talk! I'm running out of patience! Talk!
I will talk. I will talk. Your father, I mean my husband, our husband.
Twinkle little star, how I wonder where you are.
What are you doing with my son?
I just finished breastfeeding him.
Let me have him.
Yes, ma'am.
The last time I saw you here breastfeeding my son, I didn't like it. Please, next time you want to breastfeed my son, take him to my room and I will be there with you.
Yes, ma'am.
You know I wouldn't want all these maids and guards to see you breastfeeding my own son. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Life will toss you out.
You can have him.
Life will bring you down. Life will make you cry. Sometimes it seems there's no other way to overcome. Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you cry.
Oh my God. What will I do now? Oh my God. How am I going to handle this? Oh my goodness, I'm in trouble. I'm dead.
Mama! Why are you vomiting? What is wrong with you?
Ma? Me? I'm not. Oh.
You're pregnant. No, you're pregnant, right? No. You are pregnant, Norma. No. Hey, Norma, you want to bring shame in my own house. Now stop talking. Who impregnated you? Okay. I said stop talking. Who impregnated you? I said who impregnated you? Start talking if I will kill you with my bed. Start talking. I will talk. Stop, right? Well, start talking. Start talking because I'm losing it. I'll just kill you here. Start talking.
Mom.
I said stop talking.
He's the king. He's the king.
What?
That's enough. Do not lay a finger on her anymore.
Wait, I'm trying to understand something here. Mama just said something. Is it true?
I do not care. I don't care what she said. But I've been observing your ill treatment towards her. And it has to stop.
Isn't Naya? Don't tell me you've been sleeping with this pig in our own matrimonial home. You shameless man!
How dare you? How dare you?
Don't raise your voice at me, you useless and shameless man! How could you? Your own man? How could you, Esene? How could you?
Now, you listen to me very well. Need I remind you that I am still the king of this kingdom. I have every right to strip you off your crown as the queen.
Oh, spare me that bullshit! How could you? How could you do this to me? How could you?
Now let me bring this to your notice. You see that child? That child you've been taking care of in the name of adoption? I am the biological father.
No.
Get the maids.
My queen.
Hurry!
So, my husband has been sleeping with our maid in our matrimonial home, even to the extent of having babies for him. Now she has 2 babies and I have none. That means eventually I will have to lose the king to her. I can't leave that palace for that woman. Never.
My friend.
Thank God you guys are here. I hope no one is following you guys.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, good.
What's going on?
I have something for you guys.
Really?
Yes. This is 150,000 naira. Have it.
What for?
I want you guys to kill the king, my husband.
You want the king dead?
Yes.
Your husband?
Just do your job. I said yes. Look, when you guys do a clean job, I'm going to give you another sum of 200,000 naira.
Consider it done.
Okay, fine. I will make this job easier for you guys. I'm going to set him up where you will get him easily. When you get him, take him to the evil forest where no one will see you or even have any traces. Is that understood?
No problem. Deal with you.
Okay.
You know how the story will be now.
So am I counting on you guys?
Trust me.
Please, I don't want any trace.
Not at all.
I want a clean job.
Don't worry.
Okay, good. So, it's nice doing business with you.
Same here. You'll get promotion. Okay.
No traces.
No problem.
Okay.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Don't you think that
was how those bad boys killed my beloved husband, your father.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle? And the
So,
first becomes the last.
You killed my father. You?
It wasn't intentionally at all. It was a miscalculation. I am sorry.
You were so heartless.
I'm sorry.
You were so wicked.
Purity, do not mention my name. Don't you ever mention my name. Don't. Mama, please, I am sorry. Please forgive me.
No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody.
Forgive me.
Someone to call upon when you're down and out. Someone to lean on to when you need a friend. Doesn't matter who's landlord or tenant.
Hello, Barrister. Barrister, there's a very big problem.
Doesn't matter who's rich or poor.
No, Barrister. I said there is a very big problem. I go to Nakrika.
Be careful what you do.
Barrister, I need us to meet so that we can plan. Before even in a maybe.
Why can't we have peace in our home?
I will call you back. Oh? Give me a few minutes. I'll call you and tell you where we can meet, okay? I'm going on now. Bye-bye. Barrister, there is a serious problem.
What is it?
And I know you are the solution. You're the only one that can solve this problem, and I need to be kaput.
Okay, if I may ask, what is the problem?
My, I don't know what I want to call her, Norma, and her group, they want to take everything from me. I want you to help me claim back my husband's wealth and give it to me. Yes.
Madam, do you know what you are talking about?
I know what I'm talking about. Just take it seriously. That is why I brought you to this kind of place where no one can hear our conversation. Eh? You are a family lawyer. You know everything. Even when my husband, latest in there, was alive, you are everything. Everybody trusts you. You are the one handling every document in the family.
Yeah, yes, I know that. But achieving this thing, how possible do you think?
It's achievable.
Madam, do you actually know what you're talking about?
I know what I'm talking about. In fact, see what you're going to do. will everything to my brother Obiajolo.
In what idea, sorry?
Yes, tell them that my late husband, King Gezenaya, and my brother had a business dealing. If I frame up something, generate a document, tell them that. In fact, tell them my brother owns everything, that my husband may be head in the business, so everything now is going to Obiajolo. Eh? If anyone should doubt you, I'll back it up with money. I will follow it to the letter with money. When you have me, you don't have to be afraid. Just do my biddings and you'll be fine.
Madam, this is a serious task.
It is not for a lawyer. Are you not a lawyer again? When you raise one document and tell them, I stand by this, on my honor, this is what I'm saying, everybody will believe you. We have never doubted you in the family. Is it now we will start to doubt you? I am ready to shed blood. You stand, I stand. That should tell you how serious I am.
Madam, has it gotten to that?
It has passed that level. We are not in that level anymore. Do you know what it means to lose everything? Huh? Barrister, please help me. I'm dependent on you. I don't have any other hope but you. Biko, Nana, Biko. Look at me. Don't look at that way. Look at me. Even I'm desperate at this point now.
What have I cost myself? Look at what I've done to myself. I said it. I said it that this woman is evil. I said it that she wants to ruin everything. Now I've caused myself so much damage that I've destroyed the beautiful relationship I had with Ezenaya's family. What will I do? What will I do? Okay. The deed has been done. I have to move on.
Wake.
You see, you have to go home, alright? And get prepared for the next level. The battle is almost over, and it is in our favor. Gimme.
You no go ni foku now.
I don't know, no say so.
Okay.
I don't know, you know what is at stake.
Yes.
Go.
Let it be the way we agree. Look, what happened?
Sex.
Wanna be like female, yeah. Wanna be like female.
This is not the end. I will never give up. Never!
Take it easy, bro. Please take it easy. This is not the end of the world.
It's alright, I'll take it easy because of you, my sister. You and Mama is all I've got now. And I'll do anything to make you two happy.
I understand how you feel. Trust me, I do.
I just feel so bad.
Madman! This madman! Madman!
I've seen that madman before.
The same madman?
Same madman!
Who is this new madman?
I don't know, but I've seen him before.
What is it?
My beloved, relax. Make a sharp move to your direction with no much fight. You might achieve it. But even if you do not achieve that desired justice, you have a brighter world, brighter than this. The most important thing is unity with your family. Many secrets have been exposed, which we build to build a real family. But believe me, the main secret has not been revealed. Focus, because force caused the breath to cease. Don't use force.
From a madman?
This is strange. But the thing is that I have seen that madman before. I mean,
This from a madman?
but this coming from him is just so unbelievable.
How can?
What about it?
Oh, what kind of network is this? Oh, Wamba. Ah, network at last. Thank God. Barrister, we have finally set up a day for your presentation. Everything is now in order. Even Stanley is no more angry. Oh, the location is still the community playground as usual. No. Don't call him a violent boy, because if it is you, you will do even the worse. We have all agreed to meet by Tuesday next week, and we want you to try and come. Do you understand? Thank you. Okay.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life will let you down. Life will make you cry. Oh, it will break your heart. Don't you?
Cheers. I hope everybody's here except for this young man. Young man, who are you and why are you here?
Good evening, my elders. Good evening, everyone. My name is Bentel Eze, and I am Stanley's friend. As a matter of fact, we have been friends since childhood, and when he invited me to tell me about the painful demise of his father, the least I could do was to come down here and pay my condolences and support my friend.
Which father? That I died over 27 years ago, give at the mice now. I ride the father.
My elders. You are welcome.
No.
My elders, we all know why we are here. As you can see, the will is ready. So permit me to proceed as I will the documents to whom is supposed to be his. Am I communicating? Okay. And so permit me to wait.
Please, sorry, I have to take this call. Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please. Go and take your call.
Yes, hello? People should start coming. Everything is ready now. Everything is ready. Start coming. No delay. Start coming right now. Okay? Everything is ready. Yeah. Yes.
My elders, I read. Obi Ajolo, this is to certify that this will written by your in-law, King Ezenaya, like the will said, that all the properties now belongs to you.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119
Now, in further not to waste your time, I will proceed by handing over the documents.
Brother, don't worry. Just relax, okay? Relax, everything will be alright. Just relax. Relax.
Greetings, everybody. Trouble is a gift. It helps in human growth. Having said this thus far, we have gathered here for my coming. You all know me very well. It is good news that I bring to you. I am that madman that has been hovering around for so many years. I am King Ezena.
Go!
Yes.
King Ezena is there.
Ezena! Ezena!
King Ezena.
Ezena! That's your father.
Ezena!
That's your father. That's a ghost. He's a ghost. Oh. He's a ghost.
Ezena!
That's your father. That's my husband.
Ezena!
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Pain in the morning and pain in the afternoon and night. When is it gonna be over? Yeah.
Ezena! Ezena!
That's your father.
Gods of our land.
Oh, please don't you mock my
Hey!
Ezena!
God. Thank God. Thank God. Wicked man.
Alona.
Ezena! Hey! Ezena!
So this has always been your plan. Ekwensu, now you have ruined everything. Are you happy now?
Listen, don't give me up.
Don't tell me clean listen now. Amusu.
You have seen what you have caused. You are happy, right? You are not happy, right?
Happy wood down.
Yeah?
Happy kill you there. Happy kill you there. Idiot.
Let me tell you something, yeah? Do you know that you are evil? Do you know?
You are more evil than I am. You are more evil than I am. Ekwensu lawyer. You are more evil. Do simple thing for me, you couldn't do it. You are in a ETIKO to go to the scenario.
If not for one thing, I swear to God, I would have locked you up.
Locked who up?
You.
Lock yourself up. Lock your generation up. Just out of fear.
Wicked woman.
Evil! You are evil. You are more evil than I am. Ekwensu. Ekwensu. Idiot.
See, listen. Avoid me from today. Useless human. You are evil.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
Look at me. A whole me. Weke. Ha! We're going to have Jezo. Who me left in this wretched house? Wakego has run back to her so-called father to enjoy my money, my hard-earned money, my own sweat. Hey,
I am going to pay them to a visit. TV. And you two are going to watch it real good. Unless my brother's working. Me. So I am the one that is born to suffer. While they are born to reign and rule as kings and queens. This card has to be reshuffled. If not, I will lose everything. And my slogan is that I do not lose. Adama loss. Vinwakego. My own daughter, Mwamoro. She has left me to suffer and die alone. Mankwe. Mame. Oh, mame. Listen. Anybody that will use my brain and think I do not have sense in my head, God will punish that person and his generation. But of all people, now you lose all. Go for loss, sir. By the time Mwakego, we hear the whole truth about our life and exposes our dear. Because you want to play with me. Because it is either you or me who lose. But no, I will lost us awesome. Oh man, I will not lose alone. Rubbish.
I will ask again. Who are my biological parents? Who are my parents?
Okay, let's talk something.
No, no, and no. This is what we are going to talk about. Who are my parents? I need answers. Talk to me right now. You need to talk to me. Who are they? Where are they? Who are my parents? Talk to me!
Oh my goodness. What has our child with a wicked mother? Who would do such a thing?
Is that not Obasi the hunter? Yes, it's Obasi.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last, last becomes the first. Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down.
Amaka. I guess God had a reason for all this. So now that all this is over, I guess this is the best time to please marry me. Be my wife. The mother of my unborn kids. Please. Amaka, please don't.
No.
Amaka. Amaka.
No.
Life will swim like a flood. Try to keep your head above the water. Under the water. Try to keep your head high. Oh. Overcome. You will never come. Life will toss you up. Life will bring you down. Life will make you cry. Sometimes it seems there's no other way to overcome. Sometimes you try.
Actually, I was on my way to your house to see you, sir, for something very important.
To my house?
Yes, sir.
I hope all is well.
All is well, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I went to Igwe Ezenna Paradise in the city.
Oh.
Oh, goodness. Eh? In fact, Igwe Ezenna buried money in the ground. Companies, properties, mansions. In fact, you need to go and see for yourself.
Wow. Well, may God be the glory.
Yeah, glory be to God, honestly. Yeah? You see, Igwe Ezenna's paradise. Yeah? In fact, it's something to write home about.
Anyway, I'm on my way to your house. Yeah, to seek for favor. Yeah, therefore very dear to me, sir.
Favor?
Yes, sir.
Favor from me?
Yes, sir.
Go on.
Yeah, you know, I want to marry Polity, the daughter of the king.
Okay.
I would like you to escort me to the place.
Wow.
To seek the hand of the daughter for marriage.
Hey, you want me to accompany you to Igwe Ezenna's house?
Yes, sir.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, consider it done.
Wow, thank you, sir.
You said no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Anytime you are ready, just let me know.
Oh, I'm so grateful.
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my son.
So you are going home, right?
Exactly, I'm going to my house.
Okay, hop inside the car. Let me drop you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Troublemaker. Now who that cause this wahala? Now who that cause this trouble? Now who that cause this trouble? Whoa, now what do you want to get? Now what do you want to get? Oh yeah, yeah. While I be like female, yeah. Troublemaker. While I be like female.
You nowadays are enjoying I hope one day this kind of thing will be a gift for Jamie. No problem.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Now who planted the seed of this seed of discord? Everyone a kata kata, kata 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 kata. Every day wahala, yeah. Don't you know whatever goes around comes around somewhere, somehow. So be mindful of everything you do today. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing stays the same forever.
And where do you think you're going? I'm going home, I'm tired. You're going home, you're tired. Who will work and feed you? Come back and go and pick some firewood. I'm going to come back and pick firewood. Monkey they walk, babu they chop. I'm going to go. Let me not see firewood in that house, stand. I'm chilling, mom. I'm tired. Mom, when you're not tired, that's what I'm nanku.
Wahala be like female. Oh yeah, yeah. Wahala be like female. Yeah. It not the end, even if it don't end, if it's get to pass through.
What up, bitch? Why you stopping me in my move? What's going on?
Hi, can you...
Why are you stopping me when I'm cruising around?
I was actually going to your place.
My place?
Yes.
For what?
I was coming to see you.
Why?
I wanted to tell you that I have accepted your proposal.
You accept my proposal?
Yes.
You see, baby, when I was telling you that I am going to make sure I slim down your big fat ass with my big down below, you thought I was joking.
I'm sorry.
Let me see if you still got everything in you. Turn around, let me see. Turn around. Oh, you got Fisher right behind you, babe. Okay. Hopping. I got plans for you. Hopping. Hopping.
It's not the end, even if it don't end, if it's get to pass through. Yeah. Are you ready to reap what you sow?
Mama, this why you're rubbing ashes as if you're making fire. Eh? What is your problem?
You talk to me like that? Instead of you to help me make the fire, you're talking nonsense. Hey, woo!
Mama, I did not come to get you angry. I only came to tell you not to bother about me. I've gotten what I want to eat.
What? Oh, so you started sleeping with men to give you money to buy what you want to eat. How about me? Your mother. You don't even care.
Oh my God.
Give me that phone.
Look at what you've caused. Look at what you've caused, Mama. Look at what you've caused, Mama. What is this now? Look at what you did to me. Do what? Look at you spilled my things I bought to cook. What is this? Idiot. Mama, no, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. I don't like it. Just look at my fish. Look at my fish, Mama. Wicked idiot. Who is wicked? Who is wicked? Look at my fish. Look how I scattered my fish and my beans that I wanted to cook. What kind of wickedness is this? Just look at everything I bought.
It will not happen. You cannot take everything I have labored for. God forbid it. Therefore, you cannot reap where you did not sow.
Jackson.
Yes, sir.
I don't know about I'm getting. So tell the king why you are here. Maka onye rapiti ire ya enye ya oriri.
Igwe.
My name is James. Please sit down. Oh, thank you.
Oh, Igwe, no need of beating around the bush. I'm here to seek the hand of your daughter in marriage. Igwe, I want to be your son-in-law and a husband to your daughter. And I promise not to disappoint you. I will take good care of her and be a great in-law to you, sir.
It's okay. Where are you from?
I'm from this town.
He's my friend.
Oh, really?
Yes, he's from this kingdom.
That's interesting.
As a matter of fact, he just got back from the UK.
Oh.
Yes.
You said your name is?
Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from this town, sir.
Bishop, just a minute. So,
She went out.
she went out?
Yes, Dad.
This call, Jude.
Okay. I'll call her right away.
So our tradition is our tradition. You have to call my daughter to acknowledge this message. Yes, she's here. Purity. Do you know this one?
Yes, Father.
That's okay. You better retire to your room. We will discuss later.
All right.
Like I said, we must do everything that we need to do. Progress. I will discuss with my daughter and then we send a message across to you.
Okay. Thank you, Igwe.
I will do that, Father. Jackson, come.
That's it.
Just look at my fish now. Look at this fish. I want to cook. What kind of wickedness is this? She's not wicked. She's not wicked. We Wicked woman, wicked woman. You've destroyed my life.
I didn't finish cooking your food.
Cooking which food?
Yeah, I ruined your life because I threw away fish.
Stanley and Purity are making marriage plans, and I'm here fighting because of fish and beans with you.
What? What did you just say?
You've destroyed my life. Yes, my own Stanley is getting married.
No, it cannot happen. What?
After destroying my life, they're coming to drive fish and beans with me. Wicked woman, evil woman. You're wicked. Stanley, my Stanley. Hi, Stanley.
It's not happening.
It's happening. Mama, it is happening. Stanley is getting married. It is happening.
No.
No, you're saying no.
Oh, yeah.
Your Highness.
Man, ọtụtụ ndị amara na ji iteneshi ji. I want to say that I'm happy that finally my son Stanley is getting married to his heartthrob Amaka. And with this good news, I have gone that far to make sure that both the traditional wedding and the white wedding happens the same day. There's no time to wait.
Your Highness, that's good news. I appreciate it.
It's okay. And Obiora, I want to say this. You and Cheze have done noble. We fought tirelessly, and today we have victory. I must appreciate. I don't know why Cheze is not here. I sent for both of you. But be that as it may, I have something for both of you as a mark of appreciation. You indeed fought like a lion, and I will reward both of you. I have prepared a check of 5 million naira each and a plot of land each.
Your Highness.
You and Cheze, it is nothing, just a token from me to you.
Igwe, Your Highness. Your Highness.
It is nothing.
May the gods be with you. May you live long. You're going to go in the chair, Chika Igwe.
Now what do you want to get on? Yeah. Wanna be like female? Yeah. Wanna be like female? It's not the end, even if it don't end, if you get your bus too. Yeah. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Yeah. Are you ready?
What is this? No. God, devil is a liar. This is will not follow. Devil is a liar. Hey!
What have we done?
You know what it means? If it had rained today, you know what it means for me? To be mad. Yeah! God forbid. It's not my portion. Oh, thank you.
tell me now. Oh, please don't you mind my pain. Don't you think that you have seen enough? Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle? And the first becomes the last. Last.
Mom, are you back? Hey! Hey! No. No! No! No, no, no! No! Hey! Hey! Mama, what is it? If you come near me now, I will kill you. No! No! Mama! No! Mama! No! Mama! No! Come near me now. I'll kill you now. It's you. Mama, what is this? Hey! Mama! Come! I'll buy a new car and I'll carry you. I will carry you. Mama! Mama, wait! Mama! Mama!
Akadike, what are you running this afternoon?
Ikoko.
Why are you screaming my name in that manner?
Another abomination has happened.
What? Abomination? Ikoku, please, tell me.
Moike is mad.
Chewere hihe no. Akadike, ese? What are we going to call this?
I'm as confused as you are. Akadike, let us go.
Everything I kata, everyday wahala. So never how long you want to go, it's where you they go. Remember, say, man, no be God, oh. At the fullness of time, the bad light go show. Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever, forever. So be careful, whatever thing you do, yeah. Tomorrow they come home. Oh my God, now who they cause this trouble? Troublemaker. Now who they cause this wahala? Now who they cause this trouble? Now who they cause this trouble? Whoa, now what do you want to get on? Now what do you want to get on? Oh yeah, yeah. Wahala be like Fimo, yeah. Troublemaker, wahala be like Fimo. It not the end, even if it don't end, if it's get to pass through, yeah. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
I'm finished. What have I brought upon myself? I said it that this woman is evil. She has finally succeeded in destroying the beautiful relationship I had with Ezena's family, the royal family. Where do I go from here? Ah, Joe, this is not good. How come I allow this upon myself? How? Ah.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Troublemaker. Oh, yeah. Everything like kata. Everything wahala. So never hold on. Want to go, that's where you would go. Remember, say, man, love be God, oh. At the fullness of time, that light will show. Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. So be careful, everything you do, yeah. Tomorrow they come over. Now that cause there's troublemaker. Now that cause there's wahala. Now that life won't let you down. Life will make you cry. Oh, it will break your heart. Don't you give up, 'cause you are overcome. You will always overcome. So overcome. You will always overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Life will swim like a flood. Try to keep your head above the water. Under the water. Try to keep your head high. Overcome. You will overcome. Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you.
Oh God. God. Hi. God. Just look at my life now. My mother is roaming mad. I never knew Ekene is a thief and is rotting in jail. Oh God, what a life. Hey, just look at how my life is now. Oh, Chukwu. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired. is what my life is now.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
Igwe, these are the documents that were hidden under my custody by Nweke. I do not believe in taking people's property. That's why I brought it to you. Thank you, sir.
Obasi,
Igwe,
I'm not surprised. Obasi,
Igwe,
I'm not surprised. I've always known you to be an open man. Thank you.
Great.
Having said this, I will reward you. I will reward you with a check of 5 million naira. Not only that, you now own a land, a plot of land, in one of my properties situated at Idembia village.
Hey!
It is to show you that it is one thing to be good. It is another thing to show it. Thank you very much.
Igwe.
Fasi.
So grateful.
It is well with you.
Igwe.
Don't you think that you have seen it all? Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last, last becomes the first. They said pride goes before the fall. Yeah, it's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you